Welcome to Solving Simultaneous Equations with the HP35S calculator.
We'd like to take a quick look at solving simultaneous equations, and in particular two equations with two unknowns using an HP35S. When we speak of simultaneous equations, two unknowns mean that we'll have two equations that have the same two unknowns. In this case, 2x, x is an unknown, y is an unknown, 8 is a constant. 2 is the coefficient of x, 4 is the coefficient of y. If we have two equations with two unknowns, we must have another equation with exactly the same two unknowns. So here we have 3x minus 5y equals 12. So x and y are unknowns in both equations. Now, a particular format with the HP35 solver is that the first coefficient would be 2. So a is 2. B is the second coefficient, so b is 4. C is the first constant, which is 8. So in this case, a is 2, b is 4, c is 8. Then logically for that second equation, d is 3, e is minus 5, and f is 12. So we have to memorize the a, b, c, d, e, f, which is not much trouble, so a logical way of doing it. So now let us go to the equation solver on the HP35S. In order to solve that set of simultaneous equations with HP35, turn the calculator on and go to the equation mode, and you see equation list top and 2x2 linear solve. Now you may see other equations, and if you do, you just scroll up or down until this 2x2 linear solve is on the bottom line of the screen. It has to be there in order to solve it. Then we say blue shift solve. It says what is a? And a is 2 from our previous example. 2, run stop. What is b? 4, run stop. What is c? 8, run stop. D is 3, run stop. E is minus 5, so we'd say 5, change sign. You can't say minus 5, 5, change sign. And don't press enter, press run stop. And F is 12, run stop. And it solves it and tells us that x is 4, and then it says we can go either up or down. If I go up, it says y is 0. So the solution to that previous set was x equals 4 and y equals 0. Very handy. It'll also do 3x3 linear equations and many other equations that we'll try to show you some of. And if you want to learn how to use this and to use this function and many other equations, as well as write your own equations and program, then I would recommend the DVD video from Land Surveyor's Workshop NV3.
We hope you've enjoyed this presentation from Land Surveyor's Workshops. For more information, please visit us on the web at www.landsurveys.com or call us toll-free at 800-533-4387.